I'm taking this video to explain to you why when you switch up the machine, the yellow light is flickering, and why sometimes the thread brake sensor does not work, and how to fix that. Let me show you that. Okay, first of all, let me show you the good condition of thread brake. Okay, we start the embroidery work. So now the machine is working properly, and I manually create a thread brake signal to the machine. Okay, it stops, and the arrow comes up. It says thread brake head number 1, needle number 1, as you can see. So I start again. Second head. Okay. Start again. Head number 3. Okay. All the sensors of thread brake are working properly. Head number 4. I manually create the thread brake signal to the machine, and the sensor is working good. Okay, right? Next step, I turn off the machine, and now I turn on the machine while lifting up the head switch, as you can see. Okay, it seems the machine reacts well, and I will do the same thing as I just did just now. Okay, I start work again. Okay, it stops. The sensor seems to be working well. I test on head number 2. Okay, it's good. Head number 3. It's good. Head number 4. Okay, all the sensors seem to be working well. Okay, I stop. Pay attention, I will switch off the machine. And I will switch on the machine right now. You will see the yellow light on head number 1 is flickering now. I don't do anything to the machine now. All heads has the light green on, and I will start the embroidery work to test the thread brake sensor. Wait a moment. Okay, pay attention. I start. At this moment, when I hold the sensor wheel, you will see it does not gives the error of thread brake. You see that? I keep pressing the sensor wheel. The machine does not give the arrow of thread brake. But on head number 2, it works. Right? You see? Also on head number 3, it works. I start again. On number 4, it works. Okay. but just on number 1, it does not work. The thread brake sensor is not working on header number 1. Okay, I stop the machine. Then I'll show you how to fix that. Turn off the machine. Turn on the machine. Lifting up the switch, head switch, like I did just now. Okay. Don't do anything to the machine. Just wait for the finish of initialization. Okay. So turn off the machine. Turn on the machine. Now all the sensors are working well. They go back to the right condition of censoring the thread brake. You will see. I'll do the test. Okay, start work. Got it. Header number 2. Got it. Number 3. Okay. Number 4. Okay. They're working properly. And here is another way for you to check if the thread brake sensor is working properly. You can go into the menu to check. Test the thread brake. Now you will see the light on each head is flickering between green and red. That means the communication between the head and the control panel is okay.